Dear students, in this lecture we will learn the aggregate functions. Here is the definition of aggregate function. Aggregate functions or aggregation is a concept which is used to generate the summary of data by grouping the multiple rows. The first aggregate function that we are going to learn is count function. Let's review the syntax. Select count asterisk from table name. When you will execute this query, it will count the total number of rows of employee table like 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will return you the result as 4. Okay, got it? Now let's move to another variation of count aggregate function. Write the query, select a column first name, comma, count asterisk from table name, which is employee table, group by first name. Upon execution of this query, SQL Server will count the rows having word Joseph. You can see there are 3 rows where word Joseph is written, and there is 1 row where word Vladimir is written. This query will result us like Joseph 3, Vladimir 1. Now let's move to the practical example that how to write the query in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, this is our employee management database. Right click, new query, and first I will show you the total number of records in our employee information table. Select asterisk from employee information, execute it. Okay, you can see that it contains total 8 number of records. Okay, now I am going to write the query with aggregate function count bracket asterisk from employee information. Let's execute it. Okay, you can see it returned the 8. Got it? The count function calculated the total number of rows and returned a single value when we executed the query having count function. Okay, now again select the first query, let's check that how to perform the count function for a single column. I'm going to rewrite the query. Select employee name, employee underscore name, count, static, then from employee information. See what happens when I try to execute this query. It will give me a error. Okay, what is the error? The column employee information dot employee name is invalid in the select list because it does not contain in either an aggregate function or the group by clause. Okay, which means that I have to place a group by clause as well. Group by and then name of my column. Employee name. Okay, let's have a look on the syntax. First, this is select the name of column on which I want to get the count of records, comma, aggregate function count from my table name, which is employee information, keyword group by, and the name of column on which I want to group the data. Now let's execute this and see what comes from the database. Okay, here is the result. Let's have a look on. Let's have a look on the result. You can see that employee name Adnan, the count is 1. Ahmed, count is 1. Barak, its count is 1. David, count is 1. Huli, count is 1. John, count is 2. Worry, count is 1. You can see that upon execution of this query, Microsoft SQL Server calculated the existence of each unique name. We had 2 records where John was available for in first name column. Let me show you again. I am going to select the query with all columns without any aggregate function. Okay, now check it. John exists at record number 3 and at record number 6. That's why when we executed the count function, it returned the count for John as 2.